Oh, this is not the best. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, they've got good texture. They're actually really comfortable. Oh yeah, these stretch. Oh yeah, this is definitely a good pair. 7-inch seam. Let's check it out. See how they fit. These are medium. What's going on, everybody? Today we are doing a men's TikTok Temu clothing haul. I've got some shoes, flip-flops, shirts, underwear, and shorts.
How many people do it from 3,000 feet?
Alright, first off, I've actually bought these before. These were $8, these flip-flops, and I loved the other pair, and I just wanted a different color. But they've got good texture. They're actually really comfortable, and yeah, $8. So definitely get these. They're called Low-Lin. Yeah. Next, we'll stay with the shoes. We've got these extremely bright shoes. They were also $8. They're supposed to be a running shoe that you can use sockless or with socks. I prefer socks, but we're gonna go sockless. And oh, by the way, the flip-flops, I wear a size 10.5, and these are CN44, and they fit me perfect. These are, again, 10.5, and I got what they said was size 11. So let's see, because all they had was whole sizes. So I think these are fitting a little small than 11, but it actually fits mine foot pretty good. Oh wait, I didn't show you how snazzy these things are. They're very, very light, like super light. Like probably not going to be very supportive light, but they might be good, just good little trash shoes. Oh, this is not the best. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, yeah, they actually feel pretty good. I don't think that they're going to be like the best pair of running shoes, but they're definitely nice. I like them. So, yeah. Let's see. What should we do next? Let's do a pair of shorts. Which ones are these? These are medium, generic. They almost feel like swimsuit material. They got pockets. Oh yeah, this one also has for the sweat rag. You could put your sweat rag in there. And I liked it because it has a zipper in the back. So if I could put like money or keys or something in there. There's no liner, which I do like about these. I don't like the liners, I cut them out. But I believe these are 7-inch seam. Let's check it out. See how they fit. These are medium. I'm about 5'9", 5'10", 170 pounds, so. Oh, the zippers on the pocket. This pocket zips. This one doesn't. So this one has a zipper, this one doesn't. They feel pretty good. I think they actually fit me pretty well. I got decent sized legs, and I just don't know how stretchy they're going to be in the gym, but I could see myself wearing these to the beach or the gym. Maybe not my go-to gym shorts, but yes, we'll stick with the shorts. Got another pair. No, that's a shirt. We'll get back to that. Hang on. Got another pair of shorts right here. These are another pair of gym shorts. Ooh, I like the material. This material. These are supposed to be in 5-inch. I like these because they had a palm tree on them. Literally, that's the only reason I bought them. They had a palm tree. And I like the color. They have pockets. These are your more classic gym feel. They're not like a cotton, but they're not like swimsuit material. Let's see actually what they are if they say. These are a small polyester blend. So small 5-inch inseam. So yeah, I like these. These are nice. I actually like these a lot. These are real comfortable. I'm gonna wear these at night. Let's do the t-shirt. Oh, I gotta take my mic off. Hang on. No, it's not a t-shirt. Actually, I don't know what kind of shirt this is. I just know it's a shirt. Let's see. Oh, okay. So it's like a button t-shirt. It's like a button, no collar polo style t-shirt. So let's see. It's a size small. So let's check it out. It's got a little pocket here. I'm not a big fan of the pocket, but then again, like with some of my work stuff, you know, I do like to have a pocket. It fits good though. I like that it's not too big around the sleeves. It actually fits me pretty good. I kind of like it. So it's kind of, like I said, it's not like a polo, but it's like a Henley style. While we're on it, I got a rain jacket. Now this is actual rain jacket, not a wind jacket. I got a wind jacket not so long ago, and in Costa Rica it rained. If you haven't seen my Costa Rica videos, check them out if you're thinking about going. But so I needed to get a rain jacket. And I do take it back. Everything was not under $8. This one was $12 or $13. But let me tell you what, this thing looks really nice. Like, really nice. Explorer, good color. Feels really heavy, like heavy duty, not cheap. So, also the prices will change. They fluctuate from time to time. So, oh yeah, it's got the liner on the inside. Let's see, it's got this Comfort Core Complete Water, Snow, and Wind Resistant. So when I'm on the boat this winter, I'll probably be wearing this one. This is really nice. This might be the nicest. This is definitely the nicest thing I've gotten so far, like clothing wise, out of all this. Let's zip it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And it goes all the way to where if you need to do it like this, you can. So, wow, I need to get in the video, huh? So, yeah, this is a medium. I say it fits maybe just a tad small. This is so nice. I'm probably gonna get this for my siblings for Christmas. Let's see what we got next. So we got another pair of shorts. These are small 5-inch linerless. So I'm going with more gym shorts. Alright. Ooh, these feel nice. These are more of the swimsuit material again. We do have pockets right here. They're like a tan, like a grayish khaki. They say 5-inch, but I'm not gonna lie. They don't look 5-inch to me. They look more like 7-inch. But either way, let's try it out. They feel good though. They feel nice and like snug on the waist, but have good. Oh yeah, these stretch. Oh yeah, this is definitely a good pair of gym shorts right here. Oh, and they got the little zipper thingy right here. You can put keys and stuff. Oh yeah, this is a really good. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get some more of these. These are stretchy too. I definitely like these. Okay, cool. Last, we got underwear. Let's see here. We got different cotton underwear. They feel very nice. I got blue. These were $6, I remember specifically. Gray and blue. green and like a pinkish green. These are called the Cotton Series, and these are small, 95% cotton. And yeah, so well, I have my links below. You can check them out and pick these up. Again, if you're new to TikTok and Temu shopping, it's hit or miss, but Temu especially, it's so cheap that, you know, it's worth the gamble. So far, I'd say 80 to 90% is exactly how I expected it. Clothing wise, I definitely like these, this underwear, that rain jacket's great. Shoes, not so much. The flip-flops, yes, and the shorts, those are my favorite. Then the green ones with the palm was second favorite. So yeah, check out my links, check them out, subscribe. I don't really do much of these haul videos, but they're kind of fun, so figured I'd share. Anyway, later.